Hi guys, so today is Friday, July 3rd, 2026. So we're gonna see how gold is doing today. And here's the daily chart for gold. And as you can see that gold has been moving upward recently because of the poor, disappointing labor report yesterday, and also the Fed chair's comment on the inflation risk is coming down. So that is the fundamentals that helping gold to move upward. So we have some investor is kind of easing the bet on the Fed rate hike, and that's supporting gold. So look at the chart. We can see that gold has basically broke the lower high around 4090. And if we look at the 4-hour chart, we can see clearly that lower high here. So we see that here we have a trend line downward, some kind of trend line like this. And this is this level, 4095 or 4040. We basically broke this level. So that tells me that the trend is kind of pretty positive to the upside. And I would expect that in the coming days is gonna test the major resistance around 4380, this level. As we can see that here, this level has been protected since last time we have the kind of testing challenge to this level, and gold still unable to move upward above this level. So right now at this moment, I'm only interested in the upside, not the downside. So the first major support as resistance is this level, 4380 level. And after this level, it's going to be around 4580 or 4590 level, which is this level. So as you can see that this level here is the next major resistance level. And right now we have the bank holiday, which is the July 4th, the National Independence Day for the US. So gold is moving a very tight range right now, but in the next coming weeks, I'm going to expect that gold would test the major, at least testing the major resistance level around 4360 to 4380 level. So that's for gold, and we we go to Bitcoin, and also the same story here. So Bitcoin, very interesting that we can see that the first day of the month on July 1st, we see that Bitcoin has have a lower low, and this is looking like a liquidity sweep, as you can see in the 4-hour chart here. So if we see in the 4-hour chart, it makes a very little liquidity sweep, very tight, narrow sweep to the previous lower low, and then immediately move upward. So this is a very kind of bullish to me. And as you can see that Bitcoin did broke the lower high here, this level, for the 60,800 level. So the outlook is favoring to the upside, and right now I'm only looking for long on Bitcoin right now. And in fact, I did took position on Bitcoin, and right now it is in profit. And I'm not very ambitious for Bitcoin to go too far, since we are still in a heavily bearish trend, multi-month bearish trend right now. So even if Bitcoin just took out the 65,500 level, it is still a major success for me. So right now Bitcoin, just like gold, is tilted to the upside. So that's it for today, and this is just for educational purposes. This is not a financial advice, and I'm looking forward to Monday, where we can have a new session, beginning of the week session on Monday. See you next week.